Hello dear students. So from surface areas and volumes chapter we have already from first exercise we have done 6 problems. Now let us see the next rest 3 problems. The seventh problem here. The seventh problem is a tent is in the shape of cylinder. A tent, okay? We know the tent. Tent is in the shape of a cylinder. Cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Its top, the tent's top is in the shape of a cone. Okay. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.5, 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. Height is how much? 2.1. Cylindrical part. It is 2.1 meters. And the diameter is 4 meters. Why diameter? Cylindrical, base will be in circular. And the slant height of the top is 2.8 meters. Slant height is 2.8 meters. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Means TSA of a tent. Total area we need to calculate. TSA of tent we need to find first thing. And the second thing, also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per meter square. Second thing is cost of canvas. Means to make a tent we need a canvas. We need to find the cost of canvas. At what rate? At the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So let us first write the given. What is given? Height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder is equals to 2.1 meters. 2.1 meters. Next, diameter of the cylinder. Listen here students. On the cylinder we have a conical top. Means the base of the cone is attached to the base of the cone is attached to the base of this cylinder. Base of cone and top of cylinder is attached together. If its diameter is 4, then the top diameter will also be 4 and cone's diameter is also 4, right? So therefore diameter diameter of cylinder is equals to 4 meters. Therefore radius of cylinder is equals to radius of cylinder is equals to radius of cone is equals to half of the diameter, that is 2 meters. Okay. Now first thing is We have a slant height, we got the radius of this is 2 meters. We need to find the height of the cone. Okay, we have a formula. Slant height is equals to, now first what you need to find, to find the height of the cone. Height of the cone, the formula is slant height is equals L square is equals to h square plus r square. Slant height is already given to us, that is 2.8 meters square is equals to height we need to find plus radius, we got it as 2 meter square. So now 2.8 whole square is 7.84 is equals to h square plus 2 square is 4 meters. So now 7.84, if you send this 4 to your LHS, minus 4 is equals to h square, or you can write h square is equals to 3.84. So h is equals to root of 3.84. So h is equals to, so h is equals to 1.95. We'll get this. Okay, or you can take just 1.9. So now we got the height of the cone. So we need to find total surface area of tent. Total surface area of tent is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. What is the formula for CSA of a cone? Pi r L is equals to, CSA of a cone is 2 pi r into h. So what is common between these two? Pi is common, r is common, L plus 2h. Whose height? Height of cylinder. So now pi is equals to 22 divided by 7, where the radius we got it as how much? Radius we got as 2 meters of slant height. L is slant height. Slant height is how much? 2.8 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 2.1. So brackets close, which is equals to 22 into 2 is 44 divided by 7. So now 2.8 plus 2 into 2.1 is 4.2. So 44 divided by 7, 2.8 plus 4.2 is also 7. 7 cancel is equals to 44 meter square. 44 meters square is the total surface area. So therefore TSA of tent is equals to 44 meters square. Now total cost. Second is we need to find total cost. Total cost is equals to 44 meters of the canvas has been used into rupees 500 per meter square cancel. So total cost is equals to how much, dear students? 44 into 500. 0 0 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 5 4s are 20, 22 rupees. So 22,000 rupees. It is 0, students, not 6. Okay. So now let us go to the eighth problem. From a solid cylinder, see, solid cylinder in the sense it is completely filled with some volume. It is completely filled with some volume. It is not empty cylinder. Okay. Of height 2.4 centimeter, and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So from this, what they will do, from this filled surface, they will remove out some portion in the shape of a cone. In the shape of a cone. So from this cylinder, they will remove shape of a cone. You might have seen the round sharpeners, right? In sharpeners, there will be a cone-like structure to put the pencil. Similarly, from that plastic, they have removed the cone-like structure, right? Here from that, a solid cylinder, they're removing such conical shape out. Find out the remaining total surface area of remaining solid to nearest centimeter square. See here, students, total surface area of the above solid is, first here the cylinder is solid, so it will have a base. Okay, it will have a CSA also. First let us write about the CSA. CSA of what? Of cylinder, plus it will, the base will be closed, so one circle area, that is base of cylinder, plus a cone is hollowed out, right? So when we see from the one face of that solid, we can see a conical structure, that is CSA of cone we can see. So therefore that implies TSA, CSA of cylinder is pi r L, plus circular base is closed, isn't it? In the cylinder we have a circular base closed at one side, so it is pi r square, plus CSA of a cone is sorry dear students, let us see once again. CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h. Little got confusion by seeing the cone here. I wrote the formula saying cylinder, plus the base is closed with pi r square, plus CSA of a cone is pi r l. So which is equals to, what is common in all here? We have a pi and we have r. So in first we are left with 2 pi. We took pi and r outside, we are left with 2h. In the second we are left with r. In the third we are left with l. So which is equals to, pi is 22 divided by 7. Now radius. What is the diameter? 1.4 centimeter. So radius will be 0.7 centimeter of 2 into height of the cylinder. 2 into height of the cylinder. What is the height? Is 2.4 plus radius is 0.7 plus pi r l. So for l in the sense, we need to calculate the slant height of the cone. Okay, first let us calculate slant height of the cone. So it is a cone. Already we have the height of a cone, which is equals to height of the cylinder, that is 2.4, and we have a radius as 0.7. So slant height is L is equals to root of 2 root of h square plus r square. L is equals to root of, what is height? Height is 2.4 square plus 0.7 whole square. So L is equals to root of 2.4 whole square. It is 5.6, 5.76 plus 0.7 square, 0.49. So L is equals to root of, add these together students, it is 6.25. So L is equals to root of 6.25 is 2.5. So we got the value, L is equals to 2.5. Now here 0.7 ones are 0.7 tens are, which is equals to 22 divided by 10 of 2 into 2.4 is 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.5. So solve these students, add all these terms and multiply it by 22 and divided by 10. Do it on your own. Okay, want me to do this? 22 4.8 plus 0.7 is how much? 5.5. 5.5678, it is 8 divided by 10. So which is equals to 8 to the 16, 6 carry 1, 8 to the 16, 176 divided by 10, which is equals to 17.6 centimeter square is the remaining total surface area of the solid. Similarly, the ninth question is, we have a solid cylinder. From this, hemisphere is removed, hemisphere is removed. Radius of the hemisphere is equals to height. Radius of the hemisphere is equals to height. On this basis, you try the ninth problem, you will get it. Okay. Thank you.